Magandang umaga po sa lahat, and ako nga po pala si Mr. Sherwin John Dignadice, and ako po ay isang Science Research Specialist 1 dito sa University of Santo Tomas Research Center for Natural and Applied Sciences. And today I will be presenting my DOST Preserved funded project that I had accomplished noong January 2023 hanggang March 2023. Its title is ROS-compatible autonomous indoor navigation robot using a 2D LiDAR sensor. So, first off is gusto ko lamang ipag-usapan muna kung ano yung naging motivation ko sa pag-create at propose ng project po na ito sa DOST Preserved. And I would also like to share briefly yung naging accomplishment ko at kung saan ko nagamit yung learnings and skills na natutunan ko po sa project na ito. So, first is there is a potential nga for autonomous robots to improve the quality of healthcare services provided in Philippine hospitals. So, sa aking pong experience as a science research specialist 1 who had worked on a LISA robot, it's a DOST PCHRD funded project din. Yung robots na ito, given na yung healthcare system natin ngayon, ay alam naman natin na kulang tayo sa healthcare workers, and at the same time, marami pa rin sineservisyo na pasyente. Yung mga robots na ito, if we na-develop namin, I thought na if we can equip it with autonomous technology, ay mas kaya natin siyang gamitin in a way na mas makakatulong pa siya lalo sa mga healthcare workers natin. Kasi kailangan na lang gawin ni nurse at doctor is pwede gamitin yung robot na ito for delivery of medicines, yung mga food, beddings, kung ano pang mga pangangailangan ng patient is uutusan na lang ito, ipindutin na lang nila sa computer or sa cellphone nila at pupuntahan na ng robot yung pasyente, at kung ano man kailangan dalhin sa pasyente, dadalhin na ni robot. So this kind of technology, I would personally like to help develop and dala sa hospitals, because the healthcare workers badly need anything can support them in their work, at ayun nga, napakahirap ng trabaho nila ngayon. So that is why I chose to propose a project like this. And also, I see that this project has implications then on other sectors, so from agriculture to commercial establishment. So yun is yung knowledge in building autonomous robots, magagamit siya sa mga mararaming bagay. And one of the popular applications sa mga ibang bansa is yung sa precision farming or sa agriculture. Bihira na lang nasa field siguro yung mga farmers, at madalas computerized na ang kanilang mga agricultural machinery. At may pipindutin na lang si farmer, isiset niya na lang yung mga tasks na kailangan gawin ng agricultural machine at gagawin na automatically. Finally, I want to inspire students on fellow Filipinos to work in building autonomous robots and share yung knowledge na natutunan ko. So briefly, I would just like to show the results of what I worked with. The researchers in Harper Adams University allowed me to borrow one of their Turtlebot, which I modified and equipped with a LiDAR and camera, 3D RGBD camera na naging mata ng mga robot. And using these technologies, it can map the environment. Malalaman niya na kung nasan siya, and based on what it knows, kaya ko na siyang utusan after doing some bit of programming and assembly of this computer equipment. Kaya na natin siyang utusan na magpunta sa isang lugar within that indoor building na hindi na natin siya kailangan kontrolin. So, kusa na siyang mag-isa pupunta sa lugar na yon and avoiding obstacles along the way. And I built this on a small robot, and this technology can be transferred to a bigger size robot, and we can just equip this kind of robot with perhaps different other technologies, like pwede na siyang i-build natin, lagyan natin ang robot arm, ibahin natin yung katawan niya na kaya niya mas magbuhat ng mga mabibigat na bagay, so on and so forth. So I hope this presentation helps you to see that this kind of technology has very good implications pagdating sa very good applications sa hindi lang tayo limited sa healthcare. So I hope that na-encourage kayo na gumawa ng sarili nyong mga autonomous robots. So thank you very much for this opportunity to present to you my project.